Hi, I am Deepa. I am going to discuss about the experimental analysis of binary weighted resistor DAC. So DAC is a system which converts the digital signal into an analog signal. Binary weighted resistor DAC requires one inverting operational amplifier. A feedback resistance of R ohms is connected here. Then a resistance of R ohm is connected to bit 3, resistance of 2R is connected to bit 2, resistance of 4R is connected to bit 1, resistance of 8R is connected to bit 0 here. It is nothing but a summing amplifier, and output voltage level of the analog signal depends on Vout equal to minus Vref. Here reference voltage is nothing but the supply voltage multiplied with the bit 3 plus 1 by 2 of bit 2, 1 by 4 of bit 1, 1 by plus 1 by 8 of bit 0. Say for example, our reference voltage is 2 volts and only the first bit, that is bit 0, is high and all other bits are 0. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 by 8. So it will be 1 by 8. Vout will be equal to minus 2 divided by 8. That is, it will be equal to minus 0.25 volts. So like this, output voltage levels can be calculated. Now we will see how to draw the schematic and then do the simulation for the DAC. So the project is created. Within the project, the library inverter underscore RS, within that DAC schematic is created here. Here operational amplifier which is already designed is used. If we click on the symbol of op amp, we can see the schematic of operational amplifier. And to this, voltage sources and current sources are connected here. We can see the current source, and the current source is of 160 microamps, and a supply voltage is connected here, and the supply voltage is of 2 volts, and a feedback resistor of 1 kilo ohm is connected. And then for 1 hour 1 kilo ohm, for 2 hour 2 kilo ohm, for 4 hour 4 kilo ohm, and for 8 hour 8 kilo ohm resistors are connected here. And then voltage supply is connected. Pattern V source is connected here to get the pattern of 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1, that is 0 to 15. We can see that 0 1 0 1 0 1, that is for the bit 0, then 0 double 0 double 1 double 0 double 1, then 4 zeros 4 ones 4 zeros 4 1, and 8 zeros 8 1 is connected here. Voltage sources, pattern DC source. So now to do the simulation, select new configuration, click OK. This is operating point analysis to get the power dissipation, and in the log file we can see the power dissipation here, and the power dissipation is found to be 658.25 microwatts. So now we can go for the transient analysis. Click on simulation, new configuration, OK, and then OK, and simulation setup environment. Then simulator we have to select here. For that, select the EZ wave, then select the viewer to start automatically. Now go for the analysis. Here we will be doing transient analysis, so disable operating point analysis, take transient analysis, simulate it for 0 to say 600 nanoseconds. Here the pulse width taken was 50 nanoseconds. So libraries include, then forces, select the output from the schematic. Then click on outputs, select plot, then click on add, then apply. Now run the simulator. So now we can see the analog output. And if you see the first analog output only when one bit is high, we can see that it is 0.25 volts. Thank you.